Okay, today we're going to take a look at the Rubbermaid 30-piece set. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it to in the description below. This is a crystal clear stain resistant set, so I'm going to unbox it and show you what comes in it. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. Now I'm going to start unwrapping it all. So I'm not sure if this is how if it comes like this normally, if it was previously bought like this or previously opened, but it doesn't seem very organized in any way in the box. So let's just get this out of the way. Okay, so it's completely empty. We'll go over the sizes now. I'm going to use this as a reference for the sizes. So what it includes is a 0.5 cup or 118 milliliters. So we got 4 of those. So let's go through this and start checking it off. So we have 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we got 4 little lids that go on top. What's also great about these snap lids is they fit perfectly on top of one another. They just clip in together. So that's easy for if you want to kind of juggle 2 containers or for stacking in the fridge. So we got 4 of those. We got 3 1.25 cups. So 1, 2, 3, and then lids 1, 2, 3. The lids fit on really tight. Takes a little bit of an effort to close them, which is great. That means likely no leakage. Okay, we snap these on together. There's a little test. Okay. So now we have 3 2-cup containers. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Snap the lids on these real quick. Then we have 2 3-cup containers. These are the 2 3-cup containers. And then finally we have 2 5-cup containers. And last but not least, we got 1 9-cup container, which is great for if you do a large batch of a leftover or soup. This is a great size. Okay, so let's get all these out. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 containers plus the lids is 30 pieces, so I got what I paid for. So now I'm going to do the water test. Okay, so I'm back now, and I have filled 3 of these containers with soapy water, so you can kind of better see it. I don't have any food coloring, so I couldn't add it to this, so you can visually see a little bit better. So let's see, let's make sure all the lids are on tight. Okay, seems to hold it in. So let me stack all 3 of these. Oh, that's leaking. No, that might have just been when I was filling the water, because other than that, it does not seem to be leaking, which is great. So let's do this really fast. And it passes the water test. So this will be great for soups and all that. I actually do have a set of these already, and I put curry in there, and I put spaghetti in there, and it has not stained. These are great. This is a great set. Rubbermaid has made a great container set. It's very durable. I really love the clear plastic. It does not get foggy with stains or anything. So yes, thank you for watching my review, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram.